G'day guys, it's Rob from TAT here. Just a super quick reminder about vehicle adaptations when you're replacing new parts. Stick with us. So behind us we've got a BMW 520D. It's come from another workshop. I was having some EGR issues. The EGR valve and the vacuum control solenoid were both replaced, but it didn't solve the actual issue. So we got it in and we quickly realised that the adaptations weren't carried out when the new EGR valve was installed. So we ran through the Autel and we just did the EGR adaptations, cleared all the codes, road tested it, and it was all good, ready to go. So it's just a quick reminder that obviously a lot of vehicles these days have adaptations that need to be carried out for the actual control units that control these actual components, you know, EGRs, DPFs, even air mass sensors. So there's quite a few components on vehicles that do need that. So an important thing when you're replacing a component, just make sure that an adaptation isn't required to actually, you know, keep that component going or get that fixed properly, because you don't want to get caught where you're replacing something and it hasn't solved the issue and then you're second guessing yourself. So just a super quick reminder. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.